This is Lab 8. I'm Cory Brown and my lab partner is Sean Pickman. This is part 1 of the lab, where we have our microcontroller running an analog to digital converter, where the analog input is the potentiometer right here, and it is going to display a 10-bit number across these 10 LEDs representing the analog value. Right now it's in its lowest position, and if we turn the potentiometer it'll move towards its highest position. This is part 2 of the lab. We're running the exact same code on the microcontroller, but we swapped out a photoresistor for the analog input. Right now it's at its highest value because I'm not blocking the photoresistor in any way. If I start to block out the light, you'll see the value go down to its lowest point. This is part 3 of the lab, where we're still using the photoresistor in an analog to digital converter, except that we're using it simply to turn an LED on or off, depending on the analog kind of threshold. So currently, when there's lots of light, the LED is on, but when it passes the threshold, by blocking out the light, the LED turns off. This is part 4 of the lab, where we made an LED light indicator. Basically, it's just 8 LEDs that will go from left to right, showing or representing the amount of light in the room. You can see it go down to as close to the minimum as it's going to get, and all the way back up to the highest.